Welcome back to Autoscope, 2026 Dodge 4x4 Motorhome. Outside, its exterior will showcase its off-road capabilities, which could feature wider bumpers, underbody skid plates to safeguard critical components, and dazzling LED fog lights. Retractable side awnings for outdoor use. Roof rack for storing extra gear, like a spare tire, bikes, or kayaks. A foldable ladder for easy access to the roof. LED outdoor lights for visibility at night and for a camping area. Power and water connections are external. A spacious and secure outdoor storage area, perhaps carrying a front winch in case of emergencies. Interior. The interior will be designed to maximize space and use. In the rear is a permanent bed. For additional guests, there may be a sofa or a convertible bed in the dining area. Gas stove in the kitchen with 2 or 3 burners, a sink with a hot and cold water faucet, a microwave, a medium-sized refrigerator, ideally powered by 12 volts, 120 volts, or propane, enough room to keep cookware and groceries. A dining table that doubles as a bed while not in use. Comfortable seats made of easily cleaned materials. Storage. There are a ton of cabinets, drawers, and storage areas within. Rim's powerful V8 Hemi engine is expected to deliver a lot of torque and strong power. Diesel. The Cummins diesel engine option will be highly sought after because of its increased torque, enhanced long-distance fuel efficiency, and remarkable longevity. Transfer. A powerful, agile automatic transmission that can be tuned to handle heavy loads and uneven terrain. It will have a true 4x4 drivetrain and a 2-speed transfer case, sharply shaped tires for off-road use, such as mud terrain or all-terrain tires, sturdy wheels that are most likely made of steel or sturdy aluminum alloy, a robust deep-cycle battery, probably lithium-ion because to its efficiency and weight, rooftop solar panels for ongoing battery charging, tank and battery levels, as well as a touchscreen control panel for the air conditioner and